Hello, my name is Elizabeth Fairall, and I'm the Digital Services Librarian here at the Warren Library at Palm Beach Atlantic University. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the journal search feature on the library's homepage. This is helpful if you already have the title of the journal, newspaper, or magazine that you would like to read. Let's get started. We'll begin on the library's homepage, which is available at library.pba.edu. From there, we'll click on Journals up at the top. Next, we'll enter in the title of the journal, newspaper, or magazine that we would like to search for. For our example, we're going to look up Leadership Quarterly, so we'll type that in the search box. Next, we'll click on the magnifying glass to conduct our search. When the results load, we see that we have a couple of different options. If we look at the title, we see that the top one is called Leadership Quarterly. That's the journal we're interested in, so we'll click on that link to open the journal's item record. We access journals through databases. You can see which databases this journal is available through by looking at the View It section of the journal's item record. Leadership Quarterly is available through EBSCOhost Business Source Complete and Elsevier Science Direct. To determine which database we should use, we'll next want to look at the availability date range. If we look at EBSCOhost Business Source Complete, we see that the availability date range is from 1996 until 2001. If we look at Elsevier Science Direct, we see that we have availability of Leadership Quarterly from 2012, and then there's no end date. That means that through Elsevier Science Direct, we have access to the most current issue of Leadership Quarterly. Let's use that database. We'll click on Elsevier Science Direct to open the database and the journal. When the journal loads, we see that we have a couple of different options to access the content. We can either explore the journal content, which we would do if we already have a topic in mind that we'd like to research, or we can browse the latest issues. If you would like to receive email notification when the next issue of the journal, newspaper, or magazine becomes available, contact a librarian and we'll help you set that up. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found the information in this video to be helpful.
If you have any further questions, you can call the library at 561-803-2240, or you can email us at library@pba.edu.